Hello everyone. So today we are solving LeetCode problem of the day, and this is a medium level question. Minimum removal to balance array. And first of all, we will understand and read the question properly, understanding what is the input and what is the output. After that, we will think about brute force logic, and after that, we will optimize the code. Or if there is an optimized code directly thinking, then we will directly writing the optimized code. So let's understand question. So you are given an integer array of an integer k. An array is considered balanced if value of maximum element at a most k times minimum element, and you may remove any number of elements without making it empty. Okay. After that, return minimum number of elements to remove so that the remaining array is balanced. Note is an array of size 1 is considered balanced if maximum or minimum or equal to condition always holds true. So basically in this question it says that we need to create a balance array using minimum, or we need to perform or this line considers as balance array if value of maximum element is most of k, means we have given k value, then our maximum element should be at most k. That's then the array should be balanced. So check first input or first example, nums equal to array of 3, that is 0 1 2 and 2 2 1 5, and k equal to 2, output will be 1. Explanation is, let's remove nums of 2 equal to 5 and we get one number. Okay, so k is 2, and here we go, here remove the k of 2, that is 5, and we will get 2 of 1. Then we need to add the formula, that is this line says we need to create balance array using value of maximum element at most k. So logic will be here, this logic will be added in explanation section, that is now max equal to 2, min equal to 1. Okay, then this will be our main logic. So max minimum is greater than or equal to max, or this will be greater than and equal to max. Then uh, we will add this formula at this stage or this stage, like 2 and 1. Then k is our 2, then and maximum of num array is here 2. So 2 max equal to 1 into 2, 1 is minimum and 2 is k. Then we will get one answer, that is our we can say at most, or uh, we can say at most 2k, that is k is 2, that are not greater than k. That's why our answer will be like output 1. Okay, just like that. Same example, array of 4, that is 1 6 2 9, and k equal to 3, and output will be 2. Here remove nums of 0, that is 1, nums of 3, that is 9, and then we have get 6 and 2. And why we remove this 9 and like 1? Because we need to get our answer at most k, means more than, or uh, at most k means minimum or maximum, not a maximum of k, only minimum of k. Okay, the same 4 and 2, that is already balanced array, k is 2, that's why output will be 0. And also this condition is called as true condition. So constraint is 1, sorry, nums dot length is greater than 1, and nums of I is greater than 1, and k is also greater than 1 or equal to 1. Okay, so my thinking, and you also think about, like we need to remove maximum number of element or max number of element for first time, means in this example remove of 5. Okay, and in this case we remove 9. So my idea is like to remove using sorting. So first of all we will sort the array, then maximum element we will be remove at last of the array, so it will be easy to us to solve. So okay, so let's write the answer for this. So first of all, as I can say, we need to sort the array using arrays dot sort. Okay, now after that we will take two variables for our answer, that is int I equal to 0, and we need max also to store value, int max equal to, okay, max equal to 0, and also n equal to nums dot length. Okay, so after this, what can be answer? So we need to apply this formula to get our answer. So simply adding a for loop to traverse the array for int I equal to 0, or we have taken I already. So j equal to 0, j is greater than, sorry, j is less than n, and shape plus plus. Okay, so this is for traversing, and we need to add that logic. Okay, so while loop, we will add the condition, that is nums of j must be greater than nums of I into k. So this is our logic, and if this condition is true, then we need to increase I. After this, simply in max variable, we will get the answer, that is math.max in bracket max value comma j minus, that will be I, and plus 1 because length of the array, and this will be done, and return n, that is length minus max. Okay, so in this code, there is one, this code will be run, but there is one optimization, that is we will take here a long variable to make a safety for the code, because value will be anything, that's why we will take long variable to make code optimized long. Okay, so our code is ready. Let's check by running the code, and here we go. Our test scripts are clearly passed. Then submitting question. We have successfully solved this question with 58% of bits, and runtime also, and memory will be. So we have used optimized and good solution for this. Okay, so our question is submitted successfully. So thanks for watching. I will be back with another video. Thank you.